when you do a lab rotation with different professors, with different research interests, that helps you to narrow down on your interest, and you would finally know about what you want in life.
Their lab rotations teach them how to work in a team and to collaborate with other students. They learn certain skills that's so needed in industry now.
After you have completed your master's or your PhD from pharmaceutics, you can either go into industry and you can become a pharmacokinetic scientist, or you can do something into drug discovery.
Life science is growing so fast, and we are so proud to be part of it here, graduating very skillful, very educated students to be able to work in this field.
I'll be leaving MCPHS with a lot of confidence and some good skills which will help me become a good scientist.